Everybody wants their bike to look amazing with a full custom graphics kit, and so for August, that's exactly what we're giving away. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the August giveaway from here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC. If you have not yet, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. We're the #1 place to go to for product spotlights, product reviews, and a lot of other great off-road content. So get subscribed if you haven't already and hit that notification bell. Now, we do giveaways each and every month. It's another reason you want to be subscribed. And we do it because we love our jobs. We couldn't be here if it weren't for you. And we want to show our appreciation to everyone out there that watches our videos. Now, for August, here's what's up for grabs. We know everybody, including myself, loves to have a fresh graphics kit on, whether it's their dirt bike, their ATV, or their UTV. And so we're giving away to one lucky winner for August a full custom graphics kit from Attack Graphics, whether it's your dirt bike, your ATV, or your UTV. And a lot of people might not know this, but Attack Graphics is actually right next door to my video room right here. And they do a phenomenal job. Whether it's just your number plates or a full custom graphics kit, they have you covered. So be sure to check them out. Now, this contest is going to run from August 13th through the 20th. And here is how you enter to win. First of all, be subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. We've already talked about this. Next up, we want you to comment below and let us know what dirt bike, ATV, or UTV that graphics kit would go on. And then tell us what is one of your favorite things about Rocky Mountain. Once you've done those easy steps, you're automatically entered to win. You got to be 18 years or older, and this is just for the contiguous United States. If you want to see a breakdown of all the rules, you can click on the link in the description. But from all of us here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, like I said, we do these giveaways because we appreciate each and every one of you. So get subscribed, comment below, get your chance to win. We wish you luck.